Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Pete here at the 2021 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show at the Aquila Power Catamarans display. This is the Super Bowl of boat shows, so of course we brought all of our star players. We're going to start out with a couple key features on each one of our models here, and stay tuned for a special exclusive walkthrough on the 70, which is available. Here we've got the outboard powered Aquila 36. This is a 2-stateroom boat. It is available now in a fully enclosed cruiser package. This is a got the isinglass enclosure on back, real nice Florida boat. Moving over here, we've got the ever popular Aquila 44. This is a twin diesel powered boat, 3-stateroom. Of course, the full beam master, which really is the Aquila 44's claim to fame. Arguably one of the most recognizable Aquila hulls out on the water today. Been around for a few years now. Got MarineMax Vacations showing out as they always do. You can talk to them about charter yacht ownership, chartering a boat in the BVIs or even the Bahamas. We got the fleets open now and they're happy to talk to you about it. Try before you buy, right? And now here's something that you haven't seen at a boat show before. This is a boat show debut of the 2021 Multi-Hull of the Year, Aquila 54, seeing unprecedented success for a boat this big throughout the first 60 hulls now almost. And it's that popular for a reason. But it is here for viewing. The owners were kind enough to let us show their boat, and it's an absolute showstopper. It's been the belle of the ball all day, and I'm sure that's going to continue through the busier days, such as Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Follow me over here. Excuse me. Got the Aquila tent all set up. All of our whole sales team ready to answer any questions. Now is the place if you want to lock in pricing, order a boat. FLIB 2021 is the place to do it. And as promised, I'm going to give you guys an exclusive walkthrough on the Aquila 70. Follow me. Shoes off, of course. So this will be pretty quick, but going to be thorough. Starting back here, we've got the tender garage where the Aquila 14 rib goes. That actually goes down, winches up, and lives right in there. Really, really cool to see. You got a dance floor back here, of course. I almost don't even like to compare it to other 70-foot yachts, because it being a 70-foot catamaran, you'd have to be in a 100-footer to get that same square footage. Nice table back here. Got the crew quarters on the port side. Nicer than the master bedroom in my house. Put your crew in there, put the kids or grandkids in there, whatever you want. Take a quick look inside. So we'll be quiet, we're on a yacht. Right here, massive layout. You've got your kitchen, a real vertical layout right there, full-size fridge, cappuccino machine. I was hanging out on this boat earlier in the AC before the show, and this is the spot to be. The Aquila 70 truly is worth all the hype.
Like, that's the problem. It's like now that we see power cats, everything.
Italian furniture, got the Natuzzi Moby Dick package on this boat, so everything is real yacht quality, really stepped up. Of course, we have the full beam master up front. Utility room down below, walk-in engine rooms, not just hatches, engine rooms. Don't quite have time to get to that right now. Check out the YouTube video for a full in-depth walkthrough, but first I do want to check out the Sky Lounge with you. So follow me up the spiral staircase. As big of a boat as it is, I have driven this boat, really easy to drive. Of course, we have your Garmin electronics package, joystick. You heard that right. This is a joystick on a straight shaft boat. Real easy to drive. Then follow me up here to the bow, around the Portuguese bridge. Ooh. Right this way. You see so much on other power catamarans or even big monohulls, a big massive piece of real estate up here on the bow, and they do nothing with it. And it's like, man, what a waste of space. And now on the 54 and the 70, they really did a great job utilizing all this square footage. Loungers right here. You have speakers up here too, pop-up lights. When you're making that crossing to the Bahamas or you're cruising down to the Keys, this is where you want to be. So really quick, we'll give you this perspective. Got the 54 over there, the Aquila tent. We're next to the big barge. You cannot miss it. FG Dock, Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. Wednesday VIP day today. Going to be here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Come on down, meet the crew, get yourself an Aquila, and let's kick off this boat show season.
And if it's after the boat show?
And if it's after the boat show, you can find out all your information at www.marinemax.com. Bye, guys.